Aries is a Singapore-based HR technology solution provider. We provide HR platform solutions like SAP SuccessFactors, and we have our own proprietary solutions called Rhombus, which is an HRIS platform, Reimburse, which is a travel and expense solution, and Clock in Clock Out app, which is pretty much a smart alternative to the biometric hardware devices that typically manufacturing or retail stores use. And then we provide system implementation services around HR. It's pretty much end-to-end system implementation or HR data migration or system integration or system change adoption, etc. So we were looking for something to decrease the overall time to hire, and of course, increase the quality of our hires in Rolling Aries. The fact that we are a people-based business. For our services business, pretty much we deliver our services through our people. And if our people are able to deliver good work for our customers, then pretty much we are more profitable, we have more credibility in everything. And on that note, when we realized actually that we need to put a little bit more time into our people-based hiring, and what is the best way we can ensure that all our people are handpicked. We wanted to basically look for a solution which really help us in selecting the right talent. And we were using another solution before, using iMocha, and that solution was able to do most of the stuff. However, we wanted to use something which is more holistic. When I say holistic, means some of the benefits that we were looking for, or some of the features that we were looking for from iMocha when we started engaging iMocha team, was that whether they have a large skill set library which we can straight away out of the box use from, whether we can give our technical questions to them and they can automate that using different roles that we have, whether we are able to use something which is scenario-based questions, whether they already have a list, and when we work with them, can they help us to do more based on the job description that we provide. And when we started engaging iMocha team, we realized that all of that was available out of the box from their platform, and their customer engagement team was very engaging with us. They were able to understand our requirements, and they work hand in hand to be able to get all of those different role tests that we can now pretty much use. And that's where, after a couple of months of engaging with them, we were able to hire a lot of people. We were able to cut down a lot of time in our overall hiring scenario, and we were also able to get better hiring. We've been using iMocha now for almost, I would say, about 6 months. And after the first couple of months of onboarding, we were able to achieve all of these benefits. I would say that some of the things that really stood out, that we were the kind of general mental ability scenarios that we were using from our earlier solution provider, they were very limited, and we were really able to get a lot of good cognitive ability section tests and questions, and there were different categorization of easy, medium, and hard, and we were able to mix them up. That really helped us. And I would say the other aspect was that there is this feature of Logic Box, which is an AI-driven tool where we can actually use some of the available different questions and assess the candidates using the Logic Box, and the answers are automatically evaluated by the platform. And we are able to give our own different technical questions which can be converted to Logic Box, and which was very well done by the iMocha team, I would say. The other thing that I would say is basically that in an overall communication-based scenario, because we are in a services-based business, we wanted something that is automatically assessed by the platform from a communication perspective, so that we do not have to spend a lot of time in getting the communication assessed. And of course, we do that in the final interview rounds, and that's where I say that the time to hire basically was an important KPI for us. And by using the AI-based communication questions that iMocha's platform provides, really helped us in getting the right candidates and decreasing the amount of time. So generally, I would say that it's been like a 6 to 8 months journey with the iMocha team. And I want to thank all our account management team, the customer success team, and of course, pretty much the senior management team of iMocha for helping us to engage with your team and providing us this particular platform, which has really benefited Rolling Aries as a business. And we look forward to work more with you. And Rolling Aries has a plan of hiring a lot of candidates basically in this particular year and next year for our different offices in Singapore, Malaysia, UAE, Australia, Hong Kong. So we definitely look forward to hire more and more candidates through iMocha platform. And of course, thank you very much for your support so far.